Welcome to Beginners Academy YouTube channel. As part of this particular session, we would be creating a service principal, which we would be using for Terraform integration. So let us start. So search for, in the search bar, let us type AAD, which stands for Azure Active Directory. Click on that. Once you selected it, click on App Registrations. Click on New Registration. Just give a meaningful name. I would be using it for Terraform, hence Terraform. I would be using in the single tenant, so hence I am selecting that. So as per your needs, you can select other, but click on Register button. So once it is created, click on Certificates and Secrets. Click on give a proper description. Just I will say so use this secret ID. This would be used for Terraform. So then click on Home, go back to your click on Subscription, go to your subscription, give access control IAM policy, give a IAM, click on add role assignment, select contributor, then select user principal, that should be fine. Select members, search here for Terraform. Yeah, you got that. So select that, click review and assign, so it will take a couple of seconds. Yeah, so it has been already done. So in this way, this SP has a complete contributor access on this particular subscription. Thank you. If you are interested in learning more about multi-cloud and DevOps tools, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you.